Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to unlock a page in Canva. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your design in Canva. Once your project loads and you can see the main canvas area, direct your attention to the bottom of the editor. You'll notice a row of page thumbnails displayed horizontally. This thumbnail strip shows all the pages in your current design, making it easy to navigate between them and manage individual pages. Now look for the specific page you want to unlock. The locked page will have a small lock icon visible on its thumbnail, which indicates that its contents are currently protected from accidental edits or movement. Click on this thumbnail to select that particular page. This step ensures you're working with the correct page, especially if your design contains multiple pages with similar layouts. Once you've selected the locked page, hover your mouse pointer over the same thumbnail. You'll notice that additional options appear when you do this. Look for the three-dot icon that shows up on the thumbnail. These three dots represent the page menu, which contains various settings and actions you can perform on that specific page. Go ahead and click on these three dots to open the page menu. From the drop-down menu that appears, you'll see several options related to page management. Look for the option labeled Unlock Page and click on it. Alternatively, you can use the keyboard shortcut Alt+Shift+L to unlock the page quickly without opening the menu. This shortcut is particularly useful if you frequently need to lock and unlock pages while working on your designs. Clicking Unlock Page removes the restrictions, allowing you to freely edit, move, resize, and delete any elements on that page. Now, to confirm that the page has been successfully unlocked, try clicking and dragging any element on the page. This could be a text box, image, shape, or any other design component. If the element moves freely when you drag it, that confirms the page is now unlocked and all editing capabilities have been restored. You can now make any changes you need without restrictions. And that's it. You've successfully unlocked your page in Canva and can now edit it freely. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.